Assalamu alaikum students, we are back with another video lecture. I hope you are fine. So we have started our unit characteristics and evaluation of computers. Today's topic is second generation of computer. In this chapter we will learn about the fourth generation of computers. First, second, third and fourth generation of computers. But here the topic is second generation of computers. And the task you have to perform is a question. List the characteristics of second generation computers, write in your notebook and learn. So here is the question. List the characteristics of second generation computers. कंप्यूटर्स की सेकेंड जनरेशन की खसूसियात बयान करें. The duration of the second generation of computer is 1959 to 1963. Before second generation of computers, there are first generation of computers. And in first generation of computers, vacuum tubes are used and they are very large in size. And after evaluation, second generation of computers has come, and now we will learn about the characteristics of second generation of computers. So here is the first one. They use transistors. इनमें ट्रांजिस्टर्स इस्तेमाल होते थे. And now here is the question, what are transistors? Transistors क्या हैं? So the answer is transistors are the smaller device. They are made of silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor. Sometimes electricity passes through it and sometimes electricity does not pass through it. So transistors are also semiconductors. When the electricity passes through them, it shows 1, and when electricity does not pass through it, it shows 0. In this way transistors work. And due to the transistors, the size of the second generation of computers has reduced instead of the first generation of computer. Second characteristics is they relied on punched cards for output. के आउटपुट शो करने के लिए उन्हें पंच्ड कार्ड की ज़रूरत होती थी. सो द व्हाट आर पंच्ड कार्ड्स? पंच्ड कार्ड्स क्या हैं और क्यों इनकी ज़रूरत होती थी आउटपुट शो करने के लिए? सो द आंसर इज punched cards are like small paper cards that have holes in them, and in these holes the statements are embedded in them, and there are almost I think 8 rows and 80 columns on the punched cards. So पंच कार्ड पे जो स्टेटमेंट थी, एक पंच कार्ड एक स्टेटमेंट के लिए यूज होता था, ठीक है, और इस पे स्टेटमेंट जो सी थी वो स्टोर की जाती थी. और फिर जो पंच कार्ड है उसके लिए हम पंच कार्ड रीडर यूज करते हैं, उसमें पंच कार्ड इंसर्ट करते हैं और फिर वो डिजिटल फॉर्म मशीन लैंग्वेज में अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद हमें क्या देता है, आउटपुट दे देता है, ठीक है. सो जो से थे सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स, इनमें भी पंच कार्ड वगैरह यूज होते थे आउटपुट के लिए, ठीक है. थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज दे वर स्मॉलर, चीपर एंड फास्टर. कि वो साइज में स्मॉलर थे और चीपर मीन सस्ते थे और फास्टर तेज काम करते थे. फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स की बजाय जो थे सेकंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स थे वो स्मॉलर थे, चीपर थे और फास्टर थे. So these are the characteristics of the second generation of computers. I hope you have understood it. Now we will see the pictures. So you can see the picture. These are transistors, and the duration of the second generation of computer is 1956 to 1963, and here is the image of the second generation of computer. And the second pic is punch cards. You can see there are holes on it and the statements are stored in it. So today's assignment is ours, and I hope you will easily understand and learn it. You are the best, you can do it. More work hard. Thank you.